Hello everyone, welcome to James Marketing Tools channel. In today's clip, I will teach people how to use marketing software MKT Tick Pro to help us scan out all the follow potential customers on TikTok. And software MKT Tick Pro is marketing software. Use a large number of TikTok accounts to help us build a channel or seeding live stream for us. And this is the main interface of the software. And in this main interface, we have this data scan. In this data scan, we can scan this comment, scan account by keyword, or we scan friends of that account. I'll demo it for everyone today. The friend scan section of the account. In this part, we can scan the followers, or who that account is following, or the people who follow that account. When we scan out, what do we scan out for? Then after I've scanned out a large number of accounts, then we can completely into the function of sharing this video. We send them a bunch of our videos. Or we can comment directly our information to the wall of their profile. I'll give you an example. Very good reviewer of cosmetics, that is Lin. These are her followers. They're concerning about cosmetics. Then we can totally scan this out and we will go send them a message or comment on their video. We are selling cosmetics now, and I posted a video about cosmetics. For example, I sent them a direct message and sent them that video. Or you could promote your brand by commenting in their videos as well, after when we can scan it out. So now I'm going to scan, for example, someone else. I'll scan the channel. This series review. This series is a channel that specializes in review of snacks. That there's a lot of parties doing junk food now and follow a form of affiliate. It's completely possible to scan out these channel customers to send a direct message. I'll scan this channel. Let's scan according to the TikTok ID list. We click scan according to this TikTok ID list, and then we're going to select the followers of this channel. I scanned out the followers of this channel. I don't scan the person following of that channel. And then, I just need to select the accounts that I scanned. I will scan. You just need to choose any account. Everybody. If I have to TikTok IDs to scan, I need scan by 2 accounts. And each TikTok ID scans this maximum. Then I scan the demo. I scan about 60 to 70 people. I'll scan another channel. It allows you to scan multiple channels at once. If your industry has some big goal, I can scan everyone. Or for the most targeted customers, I should find the goal. Have a lot of quality customers. Then when I scan it, it will be better quality. I also scan this guy. After that, I'll scan to stream. And now I just have to press start. Let's start. The software will automatically scan for us. Let's take a look. The software has scanned us for over 100 people. That's it. Well, there are all the client target that we can put together. For example, the parties I'm scanning the junk food industry file. The other snacking party, they can send their messages directly, their video to this advertise their products to these people. And these people, one can totally copy their links, link of their profile, or export to Excel always. Very convenient for us to manage. Just as we do statistics. If we use it, we will copy it. Check out Nick to see who they are. This is our potential customer, right? We send a message about our products directly to them. Software has a part. Share this video. We just need to put those links in. The copy link that I introduced. Paste directly here. If you have already followed each other, you can send this message. Send video directly. Just like that. We've been promoting our products directly. This is the end of my software demo. Please check out my latest videos. Bye everyone.